friends, in this video I'll basically demonstrate that how you can detect the theft in an energy meter. So as you know that the power which has to be transmitted over a distance or a load need to consume the power. So for that it's necessary that you must have two wires. One is the phase and the other one is the neutral. So the thing is that in a traditional kind of energy meter you will see that there is one potentiometer and the other one is a current sensor. So but in my case what I have done over here is that I am deploying two current sensors with one voltage sensor. So what I have done over here is that when the current passes through the load and the wires I'm using Arduino Uno, so I am monitoring the phase as well as the neutral. So for example, if a person has taken the phase outside the, like for example, if he has taken the phase outside the energy meter, like not from its input side but also so not from its output side but from its input side. So then if he is using the same neutral wire, mostly when there is a theft in a theft is done, then in that case that he is only using one phase, okay, and he is using the neutral of his energy meter. So I'm doing the same thing over here. What I have done over here is that I am giving the power supply to a current sensor, and then it's passing it's passing through the current sensor going to the load, and then it's coming back into the second current sensor, and after that it's going into the energy meter. So if he has to detect and done the theft, he will just take that wire from outside the energy meter, and it will connect to its theft load over here. So and then it will bring it back to its neutral wire. So my energy meter over here is basically detect two current sensors. So when there is a mismatch between these two readings, so the energy meter will know that there is a theft is being done over here. So what I will do here, I will just turn off this theft load first, and I will run my energy meter. So you can see that right now I have 225 volts and 1.7 kilowatt of power, and for that I am using 9.41 amps on the phase and 9.4 amps on the neutral wire. So there is a very less difference. You can see the readings are almost same, and the kilowatt hour is 0.01 kilowatt hour. So when a person will try to theft the energy, what he will do is he will connect his theft load with the phase and will connect the neutral to his house neutral, or you can say the neutral of his energy meter. So let's say you can see as he started as he connect his theft load, the reading of those current sensor is different. The phase will detect 9 point something or whatever the value it's, but the other one will detect high amount of current on its neutral value from the phase. So the system will detect it, and it will also block your energy meter, and it will also display the message that you have to call your supplier. And also you know there is a GSM will be connected with your energy meter, which will basically send a message to the supplier that the theft is detected on which meter, whatever the meter it will be, the serial number will be transmitted to the supplier company. So this is how it works. If you like my video, you can like and share my channel, and thanks for watching. And if you want the files, you can send a mail on my mail ID. I will provide the link in the description.